Namaste. Welcome to my channel Mom the Wonder Chef. If you are seeing first time, please do subscribe to my channel and please press the bell icon to get more updates of my videos. So let's get started. సో ఈరోజు నేను ఫిష్ కర్రీ చేస్తున్నాను. అంటే ఇది తెలంగాణలో చాలా స్పెషల్ అండి. కొర్ర మీను అంటారు. ఇది మాత్రం చాలా ఫేమస్ ఫిష్. ఇది ట్రెడిషనల్ ఫిష్ కూడా. సో దీన్ని చాలా ఈజీగా అందరూ చేస్తారు. సో నేను తెలంగాణ స్టైల్లో ఈరోజు మీకు చూపిస్తున్నాను. సో ఎలా చేయాలో ఫస్ట్ మీకంతా తెలుసు. దీన్ని ఎలా మనం కడగాలో, అంటే ముఖ్యంగా ఉప్పు మరియు పసుపు వేసి ఫస్ట్ దీన్ని కడుగుతాము. అంటే వీటిలో ఉన్న బ్యాక్టీరియా అన్ని కూడా వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. సో ఇట్స్ ద ఫస్ట్ ప్రాసెస్ హౌ టు క్లీన్ ద ఫిష్. సో ఎనీ ఫిష్, turmeric is an antibiotic, so using turmeric is very important in this. After that we are going to marinate with all the ingredients which already it's been given on the screen. So you can add turmeric, salt, chili powder, ginger garlic paste, fish masala, dhania powder, jeera powder, curry leaves and lemon juice. So after adding all these ingredients, you can even add curry leaves as well. So this is the very good marination for the fish curry as well as the fish fry. So now once this get marinated, we are going to set aside and we are going to make a gravy for this. So we all know for the gravy the same ingredients have been used. So not only for that, you can take the head part and the tail part for the gravy, and the body part you can just shallow fry. So here I'm marinating. You can just see in the pic and video. So once they have been marinated well, so this is a very important thing you have to keep it in your mind. So marination is the very best thing wherein the curry and the fry comes out awesome, very well. So do keep in your mind and marinate the fish at least 2 hours before cooking. So once they have been marinated, I already said that we are going to make the preparation for the gravy. So to make this gravy, I'm going to show the ingredients on the screen, as well as I'm going to tell you what all the ingredients are used to make the fish gravy. So fish gravy is been used for all types of fishes. So it's a very common one, but here in Telangana we generally basically use the onion and the garlic and the curry leaves paste with the tomatoes. We shallow fry, then we blend it, then we make the puree. So here are the ingredients you can just see for the gravy. So, for every recipe, all the ingredients should be kept ready so that we can make the dish very easily without any tension. So please do keep this in your mind. And also one thing, we have to soak the tamarind 2 hours before, so that we get a very good pulp from that. Now in a pan I am adding the chopped garlic here. So why we are using garlic here is the garlic gives a very good taste and enhances the flavor for this fish curry. So basically this is the main ingredient, I can say, next to curry leaves. So add little oil, saute chopped garlic, and also after this we are going to saute the onions along with the curry leaves. So once they have been done, we are going to take 2 tomatoes, add again little oil, and we are going to even saute the tomatoes. So tomatoes also give the sourness to the curry, and moreover we are even adding the tamarind pulp and also adding curry leaves. I already said that curry leaves and the garlic enhances the taste of the fish curry. So basically in Telangana people do use all these ingredients. So now all this are going to blend it in a blender to a smooth paste. So here I took 3 to 4 tomatoes which are medium size. Now already the gravy is ready. Now again we are going to add 4 big spoons of oil, and here we are using the tadka, that is the popu dinusulu antaru kada telugulo. And to this I am adding curry leaves again. You can even use the chopped garlic too. So once all this been done, we are going to add the blended tomato, onion, garlic, curry leaves paste. Now to this again we are going to add all the ingredients like the salt, the turmeric, the dhania powder, and also the chili powder and the turmeric powder, and the water where we have blended in the mixie. The remaining water, you can add 1 glass of water, and to this we are going to add again 2 more glasses of water, and we are going to boil it at least for 10 minutes. Once the gravy thickens, and then we are going to add all the marinated fish pieces. So very simple, very easy, but it tastes awesome the very next day. Now here I added all the marinated fish, like the tail and the head and the little middle part of the fish.
Spoiling.
So here
You're spoiling.
basically
Betty.
people do
You're not
this
supposed to do
fish
that.
in the pots, so that would be a great taste, but here I don't have that, so I made it in the pan. Now the fish, Telangana fish pulusu is ready, and it tastes very good and goes very good with rice, and basically it tastes good the very next day, I said. And with the remaining fish we are going to shallow fry, and you know the shallow fry fish goes with papacharu or with the sambar. So here I made sambar for this. So fish fry, fish curry, sambar, whatever was basically a full menu, I can say, for the Sunday. So do try and keep watching my channel, Mom the Wonder Chef. Until then, take care and bye bye.